What the hell?
Now what?
My friend joined, and yes, I'm gonna be using my mic. This is the bot. You know you can talk, right?
Hello. Hello guys.
See, he's a noob. He doesn't even have the porcelain backpack.
Oh come on.
You don't even have the bubble mask. You can't be talking.
Oh come on, mate. I'm gonna kill you.
Whoa. Hey.
Yo, what's up, guys? We're going to be doing the strawberry quest. I'm already here because my friend ruined the recording. I'm not gonna tell why. I don't want to get demonetized. He was being weird. Anyways, I have to collect 6,000 pollen. As I'm trash, that's gonna take 500 years. So I'm going to edit. You don't have to watch me suffer, but I have to suffer. Okay, yo, what's up, guys? I've done the quest. Took way too. Go away. Oh, he can't. Okay, basically, I've done the quest. Took forever because I hate this game. Anyways, let's go see what rewards we get. And more star jelly, nice. I want the mythic egg so badly. Give it to me. Okay, the rewards were really mid, like insanely mid. So, editor me here. I completely forgot to add me getting the quest. I remember pressing record. I guess I did not. So, I mean, the next clip is just me doing the next quest. The next, like, I remember putting it. Okay, you know what? So basically, yeah, I'm doing the next quest, alright? Yeah, yeah, bye. Yo, what's up, guys? I was AFK for a while, and I completed the blue pollen part. I have to do this and sunflower now. Why me again? Why is it gonna take so long? I've even got 35 bees yet. Man, I'm trying to get the petal belt, and then after that the petal one. So, I mean, this game is so grindy. Anyways, see you later. Guess what, guys? It's editor me again. Guess what I forgot to do? Again, I forgot to record me changing the quest. Again. Okay, so basically, I'm quick. I forgot to press record. I mean, I got trashed. I got 5 microconverters and just like 2.2 million honey. I'm pretty sure I'm still on the same quest, yeah. This is the last quest I'm doing in this video. I know it's short. It's because I suck at editing. It's my first video. Oh yeah, please subscribe. This is my first video. Please subscribe. Oh, caterpillar. Ooh, caterpillar. Oh, hell no. Oh, wait, I got distracted. I was still recording. Anyways, let's get back into the video. I might not even do this because I'm so lazy. Goodbye! Yo, what's up, guys? I was doing the quest. This is the new quest, 8 million. This is gonna take a while. A moon sprout spawned here, so let's see what rewards I get, I guess. Okay, it's almost broken. And 3, 2, 1. Broken. Bro, I was about to say no moonshots. Hey, go away. I know my mind. Oh, bro, I need to tell this guy. So that was it for the moonshot. Pretty lame. Moon sprout, actually. Okay, bye. Yo, what's up, guys? Right now, all I have to do is complete this. Oh, not that one. This quest. It's painful quest. So when I'm done with this painful quest, I'll see you guys again. And then
I got bad news.
Dude, shut up.
Windy B.
No, what?
Okay.
What?
Windy B at Mountain and Mondo Chicken.
I only need
Both.
what's it called? Why am I still recording? Anyway, with the power of editing, I'm done. So let's return this question and finally finish the video. Not finished me suffering at editing but at least I'm done suffering in this game. Actually no, then I have to do another video about doing 3 spirit bed quests. Oh, I forgot that. You never heard this from me. No, you did not. Nuh-uh. Okay, let me just. Okay. Okay, that's mid, bro. Let's at least see the next quest. Oh yeah, I'm not doing that.